Looking for plot in Siliguri? No need to go to 25 to 30 km away from town. We are offering plot only 10-minute distance from Siliguri main town. We have come to tell you about your new dream place called SAUBHAGYA complex. Buy residential and commercial plot from 2 katha to 30 kathas, starting at rupees 8 lakhs per katha only. We are offering 100% clear title deed with no GST, freehold registered land, highly developing area, PAKKA road, plot in gated community, 24/7 hours security, immediate mutation and registration, complete boundary wall, 5 minutes from Eastern Bypass Kankata More, well connectivity both from Ashigor More as well as SAUBHAGYA main road. You will reach to your nearest hospital in 15 minutes, school at 10 minutes and market in just 2 minutes. Hurry up, limited unit available. For more detail, please contact us. Powered by All-in-One Land Solutions.